You know me, I love getting my hands dirty. There's something incredibly satisfying about feeling the earth between your fingers. And let me tell you, few things are dirtier or more important than sand when it comes to building our world. It's the foundation of so many structures we rely on daily. Think about it. Skyscrapers, sidewalks, bridges, they all rely on this humble material. Without sand, our cities would look very different. We often take sand for granted, but it's the unsung hero holding our cities together. It's in the concrete that forms our buildings and the asphalt that paves our roads. From the concrete jungle of New York City to the winding roads of rural America, sand is everywhere. It's a silent partner in our daily lives. It's the gritty backbone of our infrastructure, silently supporting our every move. Every step we take, every mile we drive, sand is there. We drive on it, walk on it, and even live in buildings made with it. It's an essential part of our modern world. But here's the thing about sand, it's not all created equal. Different types of sand have different properties and uses. Just like any good ingredient, the type of sand you use matters. The right sand can make all the difference in the strength and durability of a structure. Stay tuned, because we're about to dig into the difference between river sand and desert sand, and why one is the superstar of construction. You won't want to miss it. Now let's break down exactly how sand earns its keep in construction. It's more than just tiny grains, it's a fundamental component in many building materials. Think of sand as the glue that holds everything together. Its unique properties make it indispensable in construction. In concrete, it binds with cement and gravel to form a super strong material that can withstand incredible weight. This combination is what gives concrete its durability and strength. Mortar, the stuff that holds bricks and blocks together, also relies on sand. Without it, the mortar wouldn't have the right consistency or strength. It acts as a filler and helps distribute weight evenly, preventing cracks and collapses. This ensures the longevity and stability of brick structures. And what about those smooth roads we all love to drive on? Sand plays a crucial role here too. Yep, you guessed it. Asphalt is another sand-based champion. The sand in asphalt helps create a smooth, durable surface for our roads. Sand's rough texture and ability to interlock with other materials make it the perfect ingredient for building strong and durable structures. Its versatility is unmatched. Without sand, our world would be a much messier and less stable place. It's the unsung hero of construction, quietly holding our world together. Here's where things get interesting. The location of where sand is sourced can significantly impact the quality of construction materials. Remember how I said not all sand is created equal? This is especially true when it comes to construction. Well, river sand is like the gold standard in construction, while desert sand is more like the kid who always sits on the sidelines. The differences in their properties are crucial. River sand is mined from riverbeds, and its constant tumbling in the water gives it smooth, rounded edges. This natural process makes it highly suitable for construction. This makes it ideal for binding with cement and other materials, resulting in a stronger and more durable concrete. The smooth texture allows for better cohesion. Desert sand, on the other hand, is shaped by wind, not water. This fundamental difference affects its usability. This leaves it with rough, angular edges that don't bond as well. The lack of smoothness makes it less effective in construction. In fact, the Burj Khalifa, the world's tallest building, was built using river sand. This highlights the importance of choosing the right type of sand. That's right, even the fanciest skyscrapers need a little help from Mother Nature. The choice of materials can make or break a project. Section 4. The environmental impact of sand mining. Now, for the not-so-fun part. The demand for sand is huge, and unfortunately we're digging it up faster than nature can replenish it. This excessive mining has serious consequences for the environment, like erosion, habitat destruction, and even increased flooding. And it gets worse. Illegal sand mining is a growing problem, driven by greed and disregard for the planet. These illegal operations often operate without permits, ignoring environmental regulations and putting entire ecosystems at risk. It's clear that we need to find a better way to meet our sand needs without trashing the planet. The good news? There are some promising solutions on the horizon. Section 5. Sustainable solutions for the future. Don't worry, it's not all doom and gloom. We're a resourceful bunch and people are working hard to find sustainable alternatives to traditional sand. One promising solution is manufactured sand, also known as M-sand. M-sand is produced by crushing rocks and granite, creating a sand-like material that's just as strong and durable as the natural stuff. Another approach is recycling construction waste like concrete and demolition debris to recover the sand within. By embracing these innovative solutions and promoting responsible mining practices, we can ensure that future generations have access to this essential resource. After all, we're all in this together, and it's our responsibility to build a better, more sustainable future.